Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys color inversion mode how to use on Motorola phone. Friends, you want to use color inversion setting. So what is color inversion, how to on and use guys? Today friends I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Motorola phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone accessibility settings. So where is accessibility? First friends, click on assistant setting, and then last you can see here guys accessibility. Guys, click on accessibility. As you can see, select to speak, talk back, settings. So there are many settings. So friends, click on display and text. And once you can see bold text is on. Once you want to off your bold text, you can off your bold text and you can on from here guys. Once you can see color correction. Once you want to use color correction on your phone, so you can on and use from here. Let's click on third option, color inversion. Friends, you want to use color inversion, use color inversion. The right side icon, tap here. After guys color inversion guys, your screen dark mode will on automatic. Friends, you can see, and when screen color will totally change on your phone. Friends, you can see screen will show this interface. And friends, if you use any photos and video, friends, you can see your screen will show this type interface on your Motorola phone. So like that we can on and use current version on Motorola phone guys. And friends, you don't want to this setting guys, you want to turn off. So how to off? Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on again guys your assistant setting guys, accessibility setting, and guys you will have to tap on guys your color version, and guys your dark mode will off automatic, and friends you can use your phone without any screen color change. Skin will default. So like that guys, we can use current version on Motorola mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.